Good day everyone, I'm Lana Lee and I will be discussing about biodegradable and non-biodegradable materials and how they help in saving the environment. Biodegradable materials can be broken down naturally by the help of microorganisms such as fungi and bacteria. It also don't cause pollution and are environmentally friendly. Examples are animal waste, fallen leaves, wood, food waste, fruits and vegetables. On the other hand, non-biodegradable materials are those that do not decompose easily in nature and stay in the environment for long periods of time, thus cause pollution and harm the environment. Examples are plastics, glass, nylon, rubber, and cans. Now let me tell you this. First, biodegradable materials can help in saving our environment as it reduces pollution and waste. Once these materials decompose, they act as a natural fertilizer. These materials can also protect wildlife by keeping their environment clean and safe. Next, non-biodegradable do not help the environment directly. In fact, they often harm it because they stay in the environment for thousands of years. However, if managed properly, some of the materials can still benefit the environment in certain ways. Here's how. Number 1. Recycling reduces waste. Plastic, metal, and glass can be recycled and made into new products, reducing the need to produce more new materials. Number 2. Used in eco-friendly products. Some non-biodegradable materials are used in solar panels, wind turbines, and electric vehicles, technologies that help reduce pollution and fight climate change. In summary, to take care of our planet, we must use more biodegradable materials and handle non-biodegradable waste responsibly by recycling, reusing, and reducing our waste. Together, these actions can keep our environment safe, clean, and healthy for all living things. That's all for my presentation. Thank you all for listening and watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye!